Hi, I'm Akash from Namami Studio. We make sculptural lighting using additive manufacturing. I trained as an architect for 8 years and was very inspired by architects like Franco Gehry, Zaha Hadid, all that sculptural forms and things like that. But that kind of work is quite hard to come by. So I thought I'd start something small of my own. So I started with product design and then bumped into lighting. Actually, how this came by is I was traveling to Barcelona like 10 years ago, and 3D printing was not very common back then, and that's when I saw first 3D printing studio and got into 3D printing, and that was the time when I was about to join architecture as well. Was always inspired by architecture. I was selling out of my bedroom at the start, but then I partnered up with a few designers, other designers as well, and they gave me kind of some motivation, like this is good, like you can go ahead, and that helped me discover like how I can sell them as well, and finally it grew into this space. Some of the products are designed by nature, like they're inspired by nature. Like the first product I designed, that was actually just mimicking the algorithm how a tree grows and just putting that in a lamp, and that's how the first product came by. The way I design is still in terms of architecture. I treat every lamp as an architecture project. So it grows from a concept stage, which is just like a sketching and first iteration. But what additive manufacturing helps with is like I can keep making them. So every night I would just make them a prototype. Next morning, if I'm not happy, I'll make the change and it goes again. So this keeps on going for weeks until I'm just happy with the product and it's perfect, like how it should look. I'm trying to push the boundaries. Every design, like I want to go out of the box. It should still feel it belongs, but it's still pushing the boundaries a bit. So it should bring that calmness to the space, but it should also be a sculpture at the same time. This would be my favorite piece for now. This is Iris lamp. It is inspired by Iris van Herpen, who is a fashion designer. All of her work, even when it's still, it feels alive, like it's moving, there's movement. So I tried to capture the same thing with this light. So even when it's on, like you can see these ripples go through it. So that's the part I love about it. Yeah, I'm very excited to be part of Home of Light collection. Check out Namami Studio at Home of Lights.